Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by gaining secure access. Use your SSH key and 2FA, then open the staging site so you're not touching production. Once done, create a full backup of files and the database and label it with today's date so you can restore quickly. Next, clone the repository or pull the latest build into your local dev environment. Make sure dependencies install and the dev server runs before you change code. Now implement the update on your feature branch, explaining why each change matters in the commit messages. Make code edits or CMS updates, then run linters and unit tests to catch syntax or logic errors. Once local tests pass, deploy to staging and run database migrations if needed. Perform cross-browser and mobile checks and verify user flows. If automated tests exist, run them and address failures before preparing a pull request for code review. When staging approval is complete, merge the branch into main and trigger your CI/CD pipeline or run the documented manual deploy steps. After deployment, perform smoke tests on critical pages, clear caches and CDN, and monitor logs and performance metrics for errors. If something goes wrong, act fast. Use your labeled backup snapshot or revert the merge commit to restore service, and then run postmortem step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.